Problem 25. Three generous friends redistribute money. Amy gives enough to Jan and Toy to double each of their amounts. Then Jan gives enough to Amy and Toy to double their amounts. Finally, Toy gives enough to Amy and Jan to double their amounts. If Toy had $36 at the beginning and $36 at the end, what is the total amount that all three friends have? The choices are 108, 180, 216, 252, and 288. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Track Toy's money. It ends at 7. Start, minus, others. Total is constant throughout, so the total amount is $252, choice D.